Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a prompt based off of an AI image that you've seen and you don't know the prompt, like you couldn't find it. So add in the picture first and then, oh, wrong prompt. And then you're just going to press enter in ChatGPT for this first. And it's going to give me a prompt here. Then you're going to go to Google Gemini and you're going to paste that prompt. Then you're going to select a picture of yourself here. I'm just going to use this picture. Then you're going to press enter. Oh, I should have probably selected generate. Oh. And this is what it should look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.